Hey guys, I'm going to review the Temptation Puree treats. These are the best bonding treats. I've never seen my cat go as crazy about a treat as these ones. I love giving these treats to my cat when I want to bond and pet while feeding him, and it just brings me closer to my pet. I typically will give these to him once in a while, so they last me a long time. I usually give them to him after we've come back from the vet or if I'm traveling, and it's the best way to help him find comfort or even on holidays. They're super small and the perfect serving size. I highly recommend these treats if you have a cat. These are a must have. I think that they are the number one treats for cats. I have no idea what they put in them, but my cat is literally addicted to them. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend for your cat. Trust me, you will never look back.